Hello, I'm super excited to have you here. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how ordinary Nigerians and Africans are using just their smartphone, Facebook, and WhatsApp to earn between $500 to $2,000 monthly from the comfort of their home. And the good thing is that you don't need experience to do this. You don't need to refer anyone. You don't need large following, and you don't even need to show your face. And in this same short video, you will see a 61-year-old man that made 54,000 naira in just 24 hours of using this same system. So those that wait till the end of this video are going to get a bonus of over 100,000 naira to help them start this business. So don't take my word for it. Let's get right in. Before I tell you anything about myself, look at this screen. This is real. This is live. Pause this video if you want to look closely. What you are looking at is over 50 million in different currencies: naira, dollars, pounds, cedis, and many more. Do the math yourself. As this video goes on, I will explain what you are looking at. So don't skip, keep watching. My name is Ekoriko Akanimo. Most people know me as Coach Akandola, but I didn't start as a coach. After university, like many Nigerians, I struggled to get a good paying job. I eventually got a teaching job in a primary and secondary school, but the salary wasn't enough. So after school, every day, I would go home and start making shoes, sometimes late into the night, just to survive. The painful part was this: after years of working so hard, I still couldn't boast of 100,000 in my savings. I was working, but I wasn't moving forward. So I decided to try something else. I started driving Uber and Bolt with a rented car. At first, I thought my problems were over, but I was wrong. Mechanic today, rewire tomorrow, air conditioner next tomorrow. Everything I made went straight back into repairing the car. If I've ever driven Uber or Bolt, you already know exactly what I'm talking about. Eventually, the owner sold the car. Once again, I was back to square one. I also tried different online businesses, and unfortunately, I got scammed. Not once, not twice. I honestly felt like giving up. Then one day, while scrolling through my phone, I saw an advert very similar to the one that brought you here. Out of curiosity, I clicked. I watched the webinar just like you are watching this one, and I made a decision that changed my life forever. Within days, not months, not years, I made my first 60,000. That one result changed everything. It gave me hope. It made me realize these things actually works. So instead of stopping, I doubled down. I followed the training. I implemented everything. And within the next few months, my life completely changed. I bought my own Jeep. I bought landed properties. I won a luxury vacation to Dubai. I installed solar system in my house. Since 2022, I've hardly worried about power supply. Now, I'm not saying all these things to impress you. I'm saying them because the only difference between where I used to be and where I am today was that I took action when I saw an opportunity, the same way you are seeing one right now. Now you might wonder, what exactly is this opportunity? It's actually very simple. It is called social media affiliate marketing. This particular business model, your job is to advertise other people's digital products. That's all. When someone makes a payment through your advert, you earn a commission. For example, if a product costs 50,000 naira and it pays 50% commission, you earn 25,000 naira from just one sale. Now imagine making 4 sales in a day. That's 100,000 naira in a single day. And that's exactly how many affiliate marketers consistently earn hundreds of thousands and even millions of naira every single month. The beautiful thing is, you don't need to create your own products. You don't need to deliver anything. And you don't need to start looking for customers from house to house. I will show you step by step how to advertise this product using Facebook and WhatsApp. That's the exact system I use. And it's the same system you are going to learn inside this training. Now, I could keep talking and tell you how powerful this business is. But honestly, I'd rather show you the real result than empty promises. Remember, I told you at the beginning of this video that you will meet someone who made 54,000 in just 24 hours. Well, here he is. He's 61 years old, not a social media influencer, not a tech expert, just an ordinary person who decided to learn the right system. Watch this carefully.
Paid for the copy and paste affiliate millionaire blueprint. Coach Akandola told me that that the 24-hour money code will help me get my money back. I thought it was a joke. When I got to the first module, I implemented the 24-hour money code, and within 24 hours, I got 54,000 naira. I couldn't believe what I saw, sincerely speaking. Thank you, Coach Akandola. Thank you so much for this training at an affordable rate. The training is real, and it gets you step by step.
Amazing, right? And the interesting thing is, he's not the only one. Let me show you something else. Let's quickly get into my seller store. As you can see on top of that's my name, Referrals Academy. So I come to my wallet and payout, and I come to my wallet. It's loading now. As you can see, this is 407,000 naira, 490, which I made in 2 days. So what you are going to do now, let me show you what is currently in my GTB bank. Let me refresh it for you to see. You can see that it's 4,572 that is there. So let's go back to so I'll withdraw everything. So I click withdraw funds. You can see it here. This is the amount here. So the withdrawal fee is 15 naira. So I click withdraw. So let's see what happens immediately after I click the withdraw. It's loaded now. So you can see success transfer. All right, let me check my GT Bank app. Let me see if the money has refreshed. Okay, as you can see, I have 4,572. So let me refresh it. As you can see, the money has dropped 412,000 naira. So this is it. Affiliate marketing is real. So if you have not started, make sure you start to. Those are my own results, but I don't want you to think that this only works for me. So meet a few people who took action, applied the same principle, and started getting results.
I got the training through Affiliate Millionaire Blueprint, which by Coach Akandola. Now he can teach you how to use your own phone and make your own money online. Now I can tell you, I can set up my WhatsApp optimization, which I used to make money within 24 hours. I got the training. And I can set up my Facebook page, which I used to run adverts where people are coming to my den and buy what I'm selling. Start your own trend today. You cannot regret. You will see the massive result. You will give testimonials and giving now. Stop delaying. Come and start the trend immediately. You will thank God. You will change your life. You will see this is what is God have done in my life through Coach Akandola. You will not regret it.
I never knew I could use my smartphone to cash out money like this until I bought the copy and paste Affiliate Millionaire Blueprint. Do you know that in the first 24 hours that I used the 24 hours money code, I made 40,000 naira? And I've not yet started going through the course yet, just the first 24 hours. Wow, this thing is like magic. So if you're out there, if you have not yet gotten this course, please make haste and then be fast about it, because this will be what will change your life forever. And I thank Coach Akandola, oh my God, for making this happen for us at a very affordable rate. So please go get your course and start copying and paying.
But what if I join and get stuck? To be honest, that's one of the biggest reasons many people never succeed online. Not because they bought a bad course, but because after buying it, they were left completely on their own. No guidance, no support, no one to ask questions, and eventually they gave up. I never wanted that to be your experience. That's exactly why I created the CPAM Academy, also known as Copy and Paste Affiliate Millionaire Blueprint. Inside CPAM Academy, I'm not just giving you videos to watch. I'm showing you step by step exactly how to start this business using Facebook and WhatsApp. You will see the same strategies I use, the same method my students are using, and you will have access to a community where you can ask questions, get clarity, and keep moving forward. Because my goal isn't just for you to buy a course. My goal is for you to get results. In fact, listen to what one of our students have to say after joining the academy.
So I came across this course called Copy and Paste Affiliate Millionaires Blueprint. But it's just like others online businesses. I said, let me give it a try. I looked for money to get the course. After I bought the course, To my surprise, the first week I made my first sale and I was able to withdraw. I was so excited. The good thing that helped me succeed fast is that Coach Akandola was always there to assist me, always there to answer all my questions when I was stranded. It's not that like others coach that will, after paying you, they will dump you. Coach Akandola is always there anytime you need him. Since you are watching me, you want to start making money online, I would advise you to go for the copy and paste affiliate millionaires blueprint. It's the best.
My name is Joy. I want to introduce you to a very good course that you will love, which is Copy and Paste Affiliate Millionaire Blueprint. This course is a very nice course. It's simple to understand. It's not complex. Initially, when I came across this course, I was like, it will not be one of those online courses after buying, you now have access to mentorship. But this one, I assure you that you have full access to mentorship by Coach Akandola. It's going to put you through on areas you're having difficulties. And in this course, you learn how to run Facebook and Instagram ads. You learn how to use your skills to make money. It's a very good course. Come and grab your copy now and start making money with your mobile phone.
That right there is why I love doing this, because there's nothing more satisfying than seeing someone go from I don't think I can do this to I am actually getting results. And I honestly can't wait to see you experience that too. If you have stayed with me until this point, first of all, thank you. It tells me you are serious about creating another source of income. When you join the Copy and Paste Affiliate Millionaire Blueprint today, you are getting a complete system that shows you step by step how to use Facebook and WhatsApp to advertise product, generate commission, and build an extra source of income. But that's not all. Just as I promised at the beginning of this video, if you take action today, you also receive over 100,000 naira worth of bonuses absolutely free. Pay attention to these bonuses. You will get 24-hour money code, the exact model that has helped students make 54,000, 45,000, and 42,000 within their first 24 hours of joining the academy. A free affiliate marketing account setup, my winning Facebook ad strategy, my copy and paste WhatsApp closing script, my TikTok content creation hack, 3 years worth of ready to post content, my eye converting sales video formula, my ChatGPT prompt mastery training, and finally, personal mentorship. I won't just give you videos and disappear. Now note this, in this training, everything is screen recorded. So whatever you are seeing on your phone is what you will see in this training. Now, when you join, you will have direct access to me. You will join our millionaire community. You will attend our live mentoring section. You will ask questions wherever you are confused, because I genuinely want to see you succeed. One more thing, I want you to join this training with complete confidence. That's why I'm giving you a 60-day action guarantee. If within the next 60 days, you go through the training, implement everything I teach, allow me to review your implementation, and I confirm you have genuinely followed the system, yet you still don't make any money, I will personally refund with apology, so you have nothing to lose. That's how confident I am that this system will work for you. Now, let's talk about getting you started. The complete Copy and Paste Affiliate Millionaire Blueprint training with all the bonuses worth over 100,000 naira is just 50,000 naira only. But remember, at the beginning of this video, I made you a promise. I told you that if you stay till the end, I have a special bonus waiting for you, and I always keep to my promises. So if you decide to start today, right now, you will not be paying 50,000 naira. Instead, you will get the access to everything for just 15,000 naira. Now, I know someone is watching this video and saying, Coach, I really want to start, but I don't have the 15,000 right now. I understand, but let me ask you one honest question. If you truly believe this opportunity can change your financial future, and you know that it's just 15,000 naira is all you need to start making money every day, will you sit and be complaining that you don't have money to start? Or ask yourself, how can I legitimately raise this money to get started? Because if you can find a way to invest only 15,000 naira today in a skill that can continue paying you in months and even years to come, That may become one of the smartest decisions you have ever made. Please note, this 15,000 naira discount offer is only available to people who take action now. If you leave and come back later, the discount may no longer be available and you will pay the regular price of 50,000 naira. So if you have decided to start now, go back to the person who sent you this video. Request your discount registration link. Please don't send money to anybody's personal account. Pay only through the official registration link using your ATM card or bank transfer. Once your payment is confirmed, the system will notify me immediately and you will receive access to the academy. One more thing, if one of my students sent you this video, they are not the one who will be teaching you. I simply allow my student to share the opportunity. I am your coach. I will personally mentor you, answer your questions, guide you, and support you inside the CPAM Academy. Remember, the phone has always been in your hands. You have Facebook and WhatsApp. Now it's time to monetize it. Congratulations in advance to those taking action now. I will see you inside the CPAM Millionaires Academy. God bless you. And because I believe this business can genuinely change lives, I've even gone on radio to speak publicly about how Nigerians and Africans can use their smartphone to make money online. I don't just make claims on social media and disappear. I put my name and reputation behind what I teach.